the spread of the upthrust is low, while the volume is relatively high. So there is more supply than demand, a sign that price could fall in the near future. And it happened at the clear supply area. It's right here. So we had the liquidity clear out, the 150 psychological number, a supply area, and the upthrust VSA pattern. Perfect sell trade. These trades are rare. You'll be lucky if you find one trade per week with a supply or demand area, a VSA pattern, a liquidity run, and the psychological number confluence. But when you find this type of trade, don't hesitate and take the trade every single time. If this smart money trading course made sense, please show your support by giving us a like. It goes a long way. And if you haven't watched our previous day trading course, you definitely must watch it later. And check out our Academy program if you want to further level up your trading. Until next time.